Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Wow, is it a gorgeous day. Speaking of gorgeous days, we got a lot of gorgeous people with me here.
Hey, what's up there? Kathy Olson, Patriot Mortgage.
Super lender, especially for the VAs, super fast. Now they do underwriting upfront, so we can go back to 2-week closings. Also, my daughter, Livy, she's holding the fort here. We're wrapping cores right now. Insanely popular open house here. Let's go ahead and take a look here at Mount Laurel, the Devonshire neighborhood. One of, if not the hottest sections of South Jersey. Everybody wants a piece. These listings do not last more than a week, and this will not be an exception. I mean, well into the double digits of the showings. But hey, I want to give you guys an opportunity too before any contracts get ratified here out of Attorney Review. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, beauty, hardwood all throughout. But you guys know this because you've seen the website, James Sells 64 Boothby.com. We got the 3D Matterport virtual tour there. Floor plans, pics, videos, info, and more. We're not going to check the outside just yet because I want to take you all through your newest homestead. Let's go walk up. Apologize, the lights are off. Like I said, this was an incredibly busy open house. Let's go check out your kids' rooms, side rooms, in-laws' rooms, whatever you want to do with them rooms. Very beautiful size. Again, floor plans are on the website. Let's check out the side bathroom. Very spacious, lots of room. We're not going to check out your master quite yet, but we will in just a moment. You see, this room is even bigger. I've seen a lot of master bedrooms at this price point, this size, and this isn't even it. So if you guys want a large master bedroom, feast your eyes on this. Yeah, you get the space. And it keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. You get the double, the his and her closet doors. Check out your beautiful master bed. And all this for under $425? It's insane in New Jersey. Glorious upgrades. Look at that, glorious. Love that tile. All right. So we checked out the living room. Let's go check out that kitchen. There's beautiful popping granite countertops. That's a deep sink. Laundry room. Very gracious. Now, what's unique about having this, for those of you working from home, lawyers, dentists, realtors, why you care about this? Because watch what I can do. Close this door, locks from the other side. You got the garage and a bonus office. That's right, with a bathroom for all your clients. They don't have to come in your house. You got a window, just enough room. Here's the garage converted. Used to be a full 2-car garage. Clearly it's not anymore. But for the at-home professionals who are looking in South Jersey, want to stay close to Philly, we are just literally seconds from both I-295 and the New Jersey Turnpike. You're close to grocery shopping, restaurants. They got karate places. They got everything within walking distance. I mean, this is suburbia to a T, which is why these listings don't last. They come on, they pop off. So this is one of the few models in Devonshire that has the basement. And as you can see, great job at finishing this baby up. Perfect color schemes. You got the utilities tucked away nicely here. Everything nice and neat. Water heater is only a year old. The sump pump is actually underneath that. So they did a really good job in making it beautiful. And you guys already know me. I don't care if you're in the Sahara, if you got a basement and you need a sump pump. You're just waiting for problems to happen. Dampness, mold. When you're enjoying these beautiful Jersey afternoons like this is what makes you really love your job. And the clients are just awesome. Get a lot of space, high fence. The fence alone is probably worth the listing price. Under $420,000 again. Can't beat it. That's why they go fast. Get that beautiful gazebo. Okay, sit outside, have your card game, smoke some stoves, some shots. Get the beautiful fireplace inside. Very spacious shed. And you get the fire pit outside right there. All right, so for those of you that missed all the fun, it's okay because now you have this live video here. Check out jamessells64boothby.com for more info. If you'd like to check it out and beat the crowd, hit me up, 732-723-8322, jamesadams@kw.com.